making the media selection choices for their products by looking at the viewership stats or by looking at the kind of content that airs on the channel. Twitter, my friends, is a very sensitive platform where anything and everything can trigger a boycott campaign. We have seen trends like hashtag boycott Twitter trending on Twitter through Twitter, and then there have also been trends like hashtag boycott OTT platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, Z5, boycott TikTok, boycott Chinese goods, and every second day there is a boycott campaign that happens. This time, the axe of the boycott campaign has fallen on our very beloved brand, Amul. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Less for Shivani. In today's video, we are going to see why this particular hashtag is trending and what is the story behind it. Before that, let me show you the kind of tweets that are there on hashtag boycott Amul. While at the same time, you can also see there is hashtag I love Amul also trending. Isn't this strange? Well, this is the Twitter world and this is what all happens there. Now let's begin with the story behind these two hashtags. It all began with UPSC Jihad. Yes, you heard it right. However strange it might sound, but let me tell you, there was supposed to be a show called UPSC Jihad, which was supposed to air on Sudarshan News channel. It's a regional news channel whose editor-in-chief is Mr. Suresh. Now, when they began promoting this particular show, they aired a 30 seconds promo which had very provocative statements regarding a particular segment of the society. The show was supposedly to expose a certain conspiracy which is going on in UPSC selection and other such government exam selection, where a preference is being given to a particular segment of the society. This is the claim by the show. Now, before this could even actually air in the history of television, Delhi High Court passed a stay order on banning this show from airing. Minutes before, when the show was supposed to air, they received the stay order, and the show anyway happened, with the theme of the show being that how the 30-second promo scared a particular section of society and it was not allowed to air. What caught viewers' attention was the fact that during this show there were 4 sponsors whose ad actually featured, and these 4 brands were number 1 Amul, number 2 UP government, number 3 Rajvaidya Hem Pushpa, and number 4 Sachi Saheli. So these were the 4 brands जिनके ad इस show के बीच में आए, and this outraged people so much that they took to Twitter to express how hurt they are, how their sentiments have been affected by this particular sponsoring of content. Not only this, people also started blaming the brand ambassadors of these products. In the image you can see Raveena Tandon and Vidya Balan were the brand ambassadors for 2 of these ads, and people started saying all sort of bad things, that how can these be so irresponsible and be supporting such kind of content. While the reality is, brand ambassadors do not know on which channel the ad will show. What they know is that they are shooting for XYZ brand, and that the ad is now the company's prerogative to choose which media they plan to air it on. So it's wrong to blame the brand ambassadors. As for companies, this incident has raised a question that, in addition to, let's say, the viewership stats, should companies also match their brand values with that of the channel? Should they also keep a check on the kind of content that features on these channels? And there are other such questions which have now been thrown open by this incident. You can let me know in the comments what you think of this whole incident, and what in your opinion should Amul or the brands that are caught in this fiasco should be doing. If you found this video informative, then like this video and subscribe to my channel right away.